Hi! In my previous Toyota Camry Hybrid review, I mentioned Firestone FT140 tires installed from the factory on it. I did not like them. First, they were noisy. Second, they had not good traction on dry and wet road, slipped very often. And third, they got bald just in 30,000 miles of lazy city freeway driving. A week ago, I got brand new Michelin CrossClimate 2 all-season tires. FT140 were also all-season, but CrossClimate 2 has 3 peak mountain snowflake sign on it, which means they can be driven in severe snow also. They have really aggressive tread. I drove just about 100 miles on new Michelin tires, but I feel difference already. Interesting that Michelin CrossClimate 2 are more noisy, but only at low speed from 5 to 10 miles an hour. But above 10 miles an hour, they're actually much quieter than Firestone FT140 tires. Steering on Michelin tires feels softer a little, not so responsive like on FT140 tires, but I think it's because Michelin usually have pretty soft rubber and sidewall. Because of softer rubber, Michelin tires have better traction and more comfort, but usually less lifespan. They claim their tires last up to 15,000 miles longer than competitors, and they give 60,000 miles warranty, so we'll see. Michelin CrossClimate 2 has really good traction on dry and wet road. We have some rains in California right now, so I was able to test it a little bit, and Michelin CrossClimate 2 tires never slip nor on dry nor on wet pavement. Because of aggressive off-road-like tread, they look a bit funny on regular sedan like Camry, more like winter tires, but I'm okay with that. After 30,000 miles, I will update my review and we'll see if Michelin claims are true. Just wanted to share a quick update on my tire swap with you. See you soon!